upcycling my old clothes using TikTok DIY trends. I am going completely brunette. Here's the before and after. Oh my god. What's up you guys, welcome back to another vid. So for today's video I'm going to be doing another vlog yet again. Last week's video was a vlog, but I love vlogging so much and you guys seem to like it, so here we are again. The reason I am vlogging today's video is because I am getting my hair redone. So I've not dyed my hair in a year, and as you can see it's very blonde on the ends, and then this is my natural hair color. Actually, I've never dyed my roots, but today we are going to be dyeing our roots. I am going completely brunette. I am so excited. I have wanted to do this since May, I think, of last year. Or not last year, but in May, and I have never done it. I was always like, no, what if I hate it, blah blah blah, but I just feel like I really need to change, so that is what I'm doing today. You guys, I'm so excited for this. I think it's gonna look really good. So also, I posted on my Instagram story and was showing you guys my natural hair color, which is this, and it's pretty like brunette, dirty blonde, and you guys were like, oh my gosh, go brunette. So everyone was hyping me up, kind of gave me the confidence to do this. I always was like, what if other people think I'm ugly? But honestly, if you want to dye your hair any color, this is your sign to do it. You can always go back. I can always go back to blonde. It might take a while, but you can always go back. Anyways, this is what my hair looks like now, but we will get like a before video and everything and then an after, because I already checked with the hair salon and they said that I can vlog in there. But I really have to leave soon. I was like making a ton of TikToks right before this. It's literally 9 a.m. and I was making TikToks. I'm gonna put on some mascara because whenever I get my hair done, like I want to look good afterwards, because your hair looks good, so you need to see the full product. So I'm gonna do some mascara real quick and then we are gonna head out and drive all the way back to my hometown. That's where I'm getting my hair dyed. I go to the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater, if you guys didn't already know, and I live about an hour and 15 minutes away from here, so it's already like 9:45. My appointment's at 11, so we need to get going. I'm sorry, Haley, if you're watching this. She's my hairdresser. I was making TikToks and that's why I'm late. Okay. Okay, I just finished up my mascara. That's literally the only makeup I put on. Oh, also I did like Glossier Boy Brow in my eyebrows, but that barely does anything, so I am ready. Before we go, I'm just gonna do a quick OOTD. It's so weird because this is the last time I'm gonna see myself with blonde hair for a while now. Look how blonde the ends are, you guys. Crazy. But anyways, my sweatshirt is from PacSun. It is a Playboy sweatshirt. I think it's really cute. I really like the color of this. And then my leggings are just the classic Lululemon Align leggings. And then my shoes are my new Air Force Ones that I got at Mall of America. If you guys saw the last vlog, go watch that. This purse is from Princess Polly, and then this backpack's from Shircel. Obviously, it's not really part of my outfit, but I'm going home, so I need to pack a few things. And yeah, like I said before, I'm running late, so I really need to go. Let's head off to the car and get our hair dyed. Okay, before I go real quick, I want to take a before video of my hair, and then obviously at the end, we'll take an after. So this is what my hair looks like now. I am so excited. Okay, let's go. Okay, like I said, we have about an hour and 15-minute drive home. It is 10:05, so I only have 55 minutes to get there. Let's see if I can get to my appointment in time. I mean, I'm sure it's fine either way, but I'm so sorry, Haley, if you're watching this. I am on my way right now. Let's go get our hair dyed. I'm so excited. Woo! I'm gonna be late. Okay, bye. You guys, my hair is bomb. Like, okay, it's over for you. No, I'm just kidding. This looks so cute. I'm literally obsessed. Like, why does it look like I'm wearing a wig right now? I don't know if you guys think it looks different, but I think it looks so different. Like, for me, obviously it's my hair, but it just looks so good. I'm obsessed, you guys. I was low-key freaking out in the chair because I didn't know what it was gonna look like, and this is just like everything about it. I love it, and I needed this change. I feel like a new woman. I feel like a new person, and this is just what I needed. So thank you so much to Haley. If you guys live in the Milwaukee or Chicago area, go to Marietta's hair salon and go to Haley. She is clearly the best. Like, I completely trusted her with this process because I did not know what it was gonna look like at all, and clearly it looks bomb. It looks like I'm wearing a wig. Okay, I didn't tell you guys this, but I didn't tell anybody that I was dyeing my hair. Okay, I'm gonna FaceTime my friend Katie and see if she can tell the difference. Hey.
What did you do? You did your hair.
Did you know I was gonna do it?
No.
I was planning it the whole time.
What?
I literally didn't tell anyone except my sister.
Oh my gosh, no, I'm so surprised.
I know. Okay, it's also like darker in the back. I can like send you pictures.
Yeah, I want pictures later.
I like really like it. I'm like obsessed.
Right.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Hello everybody. So it is the next day now, and I did not vlog at all since I got my haircut, and my hair is just not it today. So today I am actually going with my friends to take some pictures because I was like, new hair, who dis? So before I get ready for the photo shoot, I wanted to try a new TikTok DIY that I just saw. So basically the new trend, I guess, is to cut your Uggs. I don't know how to explain this. Let me set it up to show you guys. Basically, you cut this top part of your Uggs off to make them slippers. I know it's kind of risky because Uggs are expensive, but they're not cute. Like, I don't wear mine anymore. Like, I literally haven't worn these for 2 years, so I was like, why not just try it? Yeah, I hope this looks cute, but let's get started. Oh my god, sorry that my room's literally disaster behind me. Love that. Okay, I'm literally still in my pajamas, but we're gonna try this. Don't hate on me in the comments if I end up ruining my Uggs. We're gonna start with this one. You can see it already has some staining on it anyway, so it's really not that big of a deal. I'm basically just gonna cut along the seam and then along this seam, if that makes sense. Whatever, you'll see when I'm done. This is so nerve-wracking. I'm like literally ruining these, and they're like $200. Oh well. Can't go back now.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
One is done, and it's actually so cute. That's so cute. It is so comfortable. Like, I'm gonna wear these so much more than I wore my actual Ugg. Here's the before and after, basically. So now we have one more to do.
She's a Mona.
Oops.
Everyone's lining up to see her.
Number 2 is done. Let's try them on now. Okay, so here is the final product. Sorry for the angle that you just got right there. I think that they're so cute. I'm gonna wear these so much more than my Ugg boots because those are just like out of style. I mean, I know some people still wear them, but personally, like, they're just not my style anymore. So I'm really happy with the result. Shout out to TikTok yet again. If you guys have not seen my upcycling my old clothes using TikTok DIY trends, definitely go check that out because I made some really, really cute stuff, and I'm yet to be disappointed by TikTok's recommendations. So go check that out, and now I'm going to get ready for my mini photo shoot with my friends. Hello everybody, I'm reporting live from my bed on my MacBook Pro. Sorry about the quality in advance, it literally sucks, but I'm here to end the vlog because I completely forgot to end it earlier. So if you're watching this, I love you. Thank you so much for staying till this point. We are so close to 200,000 subscribers. I am so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to comment down below and make sure to give it a thumbs up as well. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Okay, we're over it. Bye!